Good morning. Exercise 4.3. Question number 8. Here our question is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. F is equal to 9/5 C plus 32. That means Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 Celsius plus 32. We have given temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius. Then convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Given relation equation, F is equal to 9/5 plus 9/5 C Celsius plus 32. In this question, there are 5 questions. Now, question number 1. Draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Here we take x, making table. Find first way x and y. X is equal to C Celsius and y is equal to F. Taking linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Here we take 2 points. Equation is Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 C plus 30. Taking C is equal to 0. I take here 0. Therefore, F is equal to 9/5 into 0 plus 32 equals to, what is the value of 9/5 into 0 plus 0 plus 32? So, F is equal to 30. When C is equal to 0, F is equal to 30. Here we take value of C is equal to 5. Because it is divided, then we get not fraction. F is equal to, taking C is equal to 5. Then F is equal to 9/5 into 5 plus 32. 5 by 3 equals to 9 plus 32 is equal to 14. F is equal to 14. Here we take C is equal to 5, F is equal to 14. Other value, suppose we want other value, C is equal to taking multiple of 5. Here C is equal to 10. F is equal to 9/5 into 10 plus 32. 5 is 10, 18 plus 32, 50. F is equal to 50. X is equal to, taking 10, then we get F is equal to 50. C is equal to 10, then F is equal to 50. You find other values 15, 20, 18, C is equal to. We draw here graph 41, 50. On y-axis, in your graph 2, you have 10 blocks, small 10 blocks between 1 centimeter. For this like 1 centimeter, here are 10 particles in your graph. And here is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Your graph is like this. In your graph, there are 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We take, in your graph book, you take on y-axis 32 measure are so large. Therefore, we take on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 Fahrenheit. And on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 Celsius. Here Celsius, and here is Fahrenheit. You have given equation Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. On x-axis we take Celsius 1 centimeter is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 Celsius, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 Fahrenheit. Okay. You take here 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now minus 10. Suppose you have space, then you write minus 10, minus 3, minus 10. You are writing here minus 5, minus 10, minus 20. Okay? First, 0, then 32. Where is 32? Between 30 and 40, you have 10 curves. Therefore, find 1 and 2 curves. It is on y-axis, 0, 32. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 32. Second number, 541. Celsius is equal to 5. Then we take 41. 40 and 1 is here. Point. Once, like in one box, you take their point. 5 and 1 box intersect each other at this point. It is called 541. 10 to 50. 10 to here 50. This is our graph. You join this point by ruler. It is a straight line. And what is its equation? Equation is here this point you write, suppose you have 0, 32. This point is 5, 41, and this point is 10, 50. Equation is, linear equation is f is equals to 9 by 5c plus 32. Here are two variables, f and c are variables, and you draw this graph in your graph book, write scale on upside in corner, then on x-axis I take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 Celsius, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 Fahrenheit. You take also your graph book is show large, then you take on both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 5 Celsius. Then you take 10 brackets for 5 cuts. You take 2 blocks for 1, other 2 for 2, other 2 for 3, then 6, 4 to 8 blocks for 4, and number 5. You take your scale for your 1 centimeter is equal to 5 Celsius, or here you take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 Fahrenheit, and or 5 to 10 Fahrenheit. And second question, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Our equation is Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 Celsius plus 32. We have given temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Therefore, C is equal to, what is the value of C? C is equal to 30 degree Celsius. Find F. Find F. Temperature in Fahrenheit. Then we find F. Here F is equal to 9.5C plus 32. Put into value. C is equal to 32. 9 by 5. No. Sorry. C is equal to 30. Multiply 30 plus 32 equals to 5 6 are 30. 9 6 are 54 plus 32 is equal to 86. Fahrenheit is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. Here F is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. When C is equal to 30 degrees Celsius, then find F is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. Again, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? In this question, there are 5 questions. It's from 5 questions. These questions, 5 questions are substitute. Resource questions are 5. Celsius is equal to 30 degrees Celsius and F is equal to 5. Here F1. We take our formula, our equation. F is equal to 9 by 5 Celsius plus 32. Taking C is equal to 30. Therefore 9 6 are 54 plus 32 is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. Number 3. If temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit. F is equal to 95 degree. Then find Celsius. Here F is equal to 95 degree Fahrenheit. And what is the temperature in Celsius? We find Celsius. Our linear equation F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Taking value F is equal to 95 is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Here first we simplify this equation. First additive sums becomes negative 95 plus 32. It becomes minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C. Here 5 minus 2 3, 9 minus 3 6, 63 is equal to 9 by 5 C. 63 5 in multiplication and it becomes division. 9 is equal to C. Then 9 7s are 35. C 35 is equal to C. Therefore C is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. What is the value of C? C is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. Again this question, if temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? F is equal to given 95 degree. Then C find C. We write here our linear equation, putting value F is equal to 95. First in simplification, don't cut like this. First you clear here. Plus becomes minus or minus becomes plus. Here it's 9 by 5 C. This term we want. We want C. Therefore this term after subtraction. 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C. Here 63 is equal to 9 by 5 C. 5 is gone division for multiplication and 9 is multiplication in division. 63 into 5 upon 9 is equal to C. 9 7s are C is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. We do our question number 4. Number 4. If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Here we find two questions. If temperature is 0 degree Celsius, therefore we have given 0 degree Celsius for C. C is equal to C 0 degree Celsius. What is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Then find Fahrenheit. And the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit. Here Fahrenheit is equal to 0 degree Fahrenheit. Then what is the temperature in Celsius? Then we find C. In first, when C is equal to 0 degree, our equation is when equals to 0 degree Celsius. Our equation F is equals to 9 by 5C plus 32. And second question, when F is equals to 0 degree, F is equals to 0 degree Fahrenheit, then find C. In this equation, C is equals to 0, 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32 is equals to 0 plus 32. F is equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit. When C is equals to 0, F is equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Second question, when F is equals to 0 degree, F is equals to 0 degree Fahrenheit, then find C. Putting our equation, F is equals to 9 by 5C plus 32. F is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 9 by 5C plus 32. Here 0 minus 32 is equals to 9 by 5C. 0 minus 32. This is question, continue here. When F is equal to 0. 0 minus 32, then minus 32 is equals to 9 upon 5 multiply C. We simplify this and find C. Minus 32 multiplied by 5 is equals to 9C. Minus 160 is equals to 9C. Minus 160 upon 9 is equals to C. Therefore, C is equals to minus 160 upon 9 degrees Celsius when F is equals to 0 degree Fahrenheit. Then C is equals to minus 160 degree upon 9C. Again, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? We have given C is equals to 0 degree, then find F, and the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit. F is equals to 0, then what is the temperature in Celsius? C is equals to 5. What is C? For these sums, when C is equals to 0, in equation we put C is equals to 0, 9 by 5 into 0, 0 plus 32 is equals to 32. Again, F is equals to 0, then find C. Here 0 is equals to 9 by 5C plus 32. Plus 32 first, 0 minus 32 is equals to minus 32 equals to 9 by 5 into C. 5 is 1 multiplication and 9 becomes division. 160 is equals to 9C minus 160 upon 9 is equals to C. C is equals to minus 160 upon 9 degrees Celsius. Now we calculate question number 5. Now number 5. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. Here we have question. Our question is this: temperature is numerically equal. Therefore, Fahrenheit and Celsius both are equal in which temperature? Numerically equal at which temperature? Find both Fahrenheit and same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. If yes, find. Let X is is temperature. Here we take X is numerically temperature, numerically same in both. F is equals to C is equals to X. Fahrenheit and Celsius, Fahrenheit, F and C, then we write here F and C. Therefore, so F is equals to C is equals to, what is the value of temperature? Its numerically value is X. For which temperature? F is equals to C. At which temperature it makes same? Here our question, our linear equation, F is equals to 9.5 C plus 32. Taking F is equals to as X and C is equals to X. Taking X as F and C. X is equals to 9 by 5X plus 32. We put for both F and C are equal, both are equal, we take for value is equals to X. X is equals to 9X upon 5 or 9 by 5X plus 32. X is in same side, 9 by 5X is equals to 30. LCM of these terms is equals to 5. 5X minus 9X is equals to 30. 5X minus 9X is equals to minus 4X upon 5 is equals to 30. X is equals to minus 4X is equals to 32 into 5. Here 5 is in division. It is gone in multiplication. We write here in multiplication, and 4 is multiplication, then we write 4 is in division. X is equals to 32 into 5 upon minus 4. Here minus 4, then sign becomes here minus. X is equals to 4 8 minus, this sign is here minus 8 5 14. At which temperature? 8 minus 40 degree, F is equals to minus 40 degree and C is equals to minus 40 degree. Both temperature are same at X at minus 40 degree. Minus 40 temperature Fahrenheit or Celsius. Minus 40 degree Fahrenheit is equals to minus 40 degree Celsius. Both are same. At minus 40 degree, F is equals to C. Then we write here minus 40 degree. Don't write here this minus 40 degree, F is equals to minus. Here again is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. If yours, find it. Let X is temperature numerically same in both F and C. So F is equals to C is equals to X. Putting this value in our linear equation, X is equals to 9 by 5 into X plus 32. First X's terms here simplify. 5 is LCM, 5x minus 9x upon 5 minus 4x upon 5 is equals to 32. 5 is in multiplication minus 4x is equal to 32 into 5. X is equal to in division minus 4. 32 into 5 upon minus 4. 8 5s are minus 40 degree and minus 40 degree. Both temperature are same. Our exercise 4.3 completed.